So this is the container, and now
It's plus 25.
see this. So this is the container that I created. Now look at this one. This first container consists of padding on the left side and padding on the right side, right? I mean, like, see, this is some padding here, and this, like, moreover, they are actually margins, they're not padding. So if I want to go for margins on the top, padding top 5. Okay, this is actually padding, right? This. There is a padding here. You observe this? There is a padding. That means, the text content starts from here. We give something like some 10. Let us see what will happen. Padding 3. Padding 1. The size is actually decreasing gradually. Right hand. Okay, let's use the padding 5 here. SM means small, MD means medium, LG means large, XL, double XL. This one, padding top equal to 5. I'm saving this and refreshing this. There is no border here. If I want border, just give the border class here so that you will get the border. See, this is actually showing, but the color is a little bit not violet actually, a little bit deep, light colors. We use some ash color, light ash. This is division 1. This is division 2, and this is division 3. Division I think. The division 1 is displaying like that. Bullshit. See, if you want to give padding on the bottom, padding bottom 5 PB. Okay, look at this one. We want to give padding on the top, PT5. We want to give the padding itself, and just simply leave it as P5. Okay, so that you will get the division with padding with some width. Okay, so these are the three different type of containers. These are three different type of containers. See what are the colors that is present there. BG dark, BG primary. The primary for the primary color, they have given some blue color. For dark, they are given some black. Okay. Text white. Text white means the displaying text must be white. That's what they are given. And the MY means margin y-axis. See, if you don't understand what exactly that means, see, you can directly go to that class inside the normal CSS file, and you can search there, and you can see the properties. You already know all the CSS properties, right? So based on the properties that is given there, so margin right side and margin left side, that means margin x-axis, okay. So MX means margin x-axis, MY means margin y-axis. That means top and bottom of the division will get some margins. Okay. So there is see this. Did you observe this? Guys, just see this. What is the 3 REM? 3 REM means that's actually the size, okay, the size of size in pixels. Something like 1 REM will equals to something like some 12 or 14 or 16 pixel. They have given some REM. 3 REM means some 16 into 3, something like that. Okay. So margin y-axis, we have given margin y-axis 5. 5 into some 16. But to consider like that. Okay. Let's content. Did you understand the content? Did you understand the container topic? Okay, I'm moving on to the next topic, guys. Okay, let's go to the grid basics. I'll be explaining the grid basics now. See, you can choose the container size. Okay, you can choose the container size. If you want the container size is small, so these are the different dimensions. If you want the container size to something like double XL, then you can choose this. Okay, container double XL, something like that. Okay, just I'm showing here. Let's look at this. So let's refresh this page. Hit the page. Let me give some water here. See this? Container small, container medium, container large, container XL, and container double XL. Guys, just to see the difference between the just look at the difference between these divisions. See, whenever I go responsive, see this one. See this. See what are the different margins for each division. For double XL, for double XL, see whenever the size is greater than 1200 pixel, whenever the size, see this, whenever the size is greater than like this is 1200 pixel. Whenever it reaches 1200 pixel, so it is producing some 100 pixel size. Okay, it's producing 100 pixel size. And XL, whenever it reaches the 992 pixel, then it will show 100 pixel size. See this. It has shown some 100 pixel size. Now, large one. So when there is some interviews, you must be in a position to answer all these questions. Okay, just try to listen. That's up to you. See this one. See this. When the size is greater than 768 pixel, then it is showing the width as 100 pixel. Whenever the size become greater than 576 pixel, then 576 pixel, then it is showing some 100 pixel size. Whenever the size is less than 576 pixel, then the SM small division, small container is showing as 100 pixel width, 100% width. Why they are displaying this? Why they are displaying like that? Why they are displaying like that? Like whenever the screen size is reducing, they are automatically aligning. I mean, they are automatically resizing to 100 pixel position, 100% position. Why like that? Because it keeps your website responsive to different screen sizes. Okay. So my suggestion is try to use a container large. That would be very good, because whenever the size is 768 pixel and above, it will start responding to the devices. Okay. Like whenever you open in tab, or whenever you open the website in mobile, they will be automatically resized to that screen size. So this is about the container. This is about container. Okay. Why do we use container? Simply to place all the elements into that inside the container, into our web page. Okay. We don't directly keep our elements into body tag. Okay, we will create the division tag with name container and we'll place all the elements into the container. Okay, something like this. And now let's go to the grid basics. See, we have different type of grids here. Guys, look at this one. Let me explain you the container. So, container is already completed. Let's go with the container fluid. So I have already told you that container fluid will get the 100% width. See, something like this. Okay. This is the second program. Now let me go to the container. What is this? Okay. See this one. This is I just demonstrated this containers just now. Okay. Container SM, contain medium, large, XL, and double XL. Okay. So this is the href. See, did you observe this one? I have just given the URL here. In the previous page, I have included, I have downloaded the CSS and I have downloaded the JS files into my local system, and I have given the local URLs, like local hyperlink reference and local source pages. But here, what I have given, I have given the URL directly. That means the styles and JS will be loaded from that JS deliver.net some npm. npm is node package manager. Okay, maybe this is coming from some node package manager module. See this ma. So we have already seen the different these containers. Actually, see this one. So I have extra added some PG primary, PG dark, text white, and text white to all the. Okay, PG dark and PG primary, text white, and margin top 3. For all three divisions, and I have given the borders to all the 5 divisions. Now look at this one. See, whenever I start response, I see whenever the screen is responding at particular point, the divisions are responding to the screen size. This is the responsive containers. Next one, grid. Next one is grid. Guys, look at this grid. So these are the different grid types. Okay, yes, these are different grids. Grid means nothing but if the container size is some 1000 pixel, you can form the 300 pixel grids, 300 pixel grids. Okay, if the container size is something like 600 pixel, then you can form 2 grids, something like that. Okay, the grid sizes will be something like col1 means you can have a single column. Something like you can, if you place this column like some, why they are aligning to the left. This. Let us say this is fine. This size is, the size of this grid is some 1000 pixel. Then guys, you can divide the screen like this. Something like you can give 3 divisions based on your requirement. Or if you want only 2 divisions, then for the left menu and for the body. If you want only 2, you can do like this. And if you want the complete a single column, then you can go for span column. Okay. It depends upon your requirement, you can go for it. Some span 1 to span 12. And that is how, so this is the code actually. Span 1 to span 12. And this is how they'll look. See this. Yes, look at this one. Fellows, come on here. Just look at this. See, if you want to display 4 columns into your web page. So this is how you can display. See this. I'll give some 2. Size would be something like 2. Okay, something like that. If you want to give something like 4, only 2 divisions, then I can just give call 4 and call 4. Something like this. Okay. And if I want to give one more division here, then I'll do for BG primary. Is it? The entire division is divided into 3 columns. Okay, something like this. But if you want only small divisions with size of, we want to determine the size of each column there. If you want to determine the size of each column there, just go to the CSS, normal CSS file, and type the col1 and find it, and you will understand what is the width of that. So width is 8.333%. Okay. So this is the thing. If you want to divide a page into different subdivisions, different spans. See, if you are doing some news portal, like something like news portal, right? So there will be some 3 columns in each page. Like if you are designing a newspaper in a web page, there will be some 3 columns, right, for a web page. So we can simply take something like this, some 3 columns. You can divide the container into 3 columns, and you can write and you can align the text into those columns. Okay. That's a great. Next one, topography. Topography means something like text styles. How the text must be displayed in your grid. See this one. So this is already inbuilt, that is given in this theme. The H1, H2, H3, those are not actually the tags. Okay, guys, just look at this one. H1, H2, H3 are not actually the elements. Actually, those are the classes that is defined inside this bootstrap. Okay, those are the class. Those are the different classes. And if you want to display the text at the left side, left aligned text, then text start is the class. Then if you want to align the text to the right side, then text end is the class. And next one, text center, and no wrap. No wrap means generally it will be displayed at the left side. Next one, text lowercase. Text lowercase means the text will be displayed in the lowercase. Text uppercase, text capitalized. So these are the different class names which are used to represent different styles of a text. Okay, different styles of the text. So all these classes are predefinedly available with this Bootstrap 5.0. Okay. And the next one, some list unstyled. This is actually, this will belong to here. Remove this one. So this is all about the topography. Okay, what do we call this one? Topography. That means each and every text style is already defined in that CSS file. Okay. Next one, colors. See this one. Text muted, text primary, text success. See this. Let me explain you along with the examples. So these are the different type of text colors. Okay. These are the different type of colors. See, when you accomplish a task, when you register successfully, then text success will be displayed in this color, green color. Okay. If there is any danger or error message, if you want to display error message, then text danger, that means it will be displayed in red color. Okay. If you want to display some warnings, that will be displayed in some yellow color or okay. Some secondary text dark, text body. Text light and text white. These are different type of colors used for text. Okay. These are also predefined classes inside that Bootstrap. All you need to do is you have to use that particular class wherever you need. Next one, table. See, tables is something very good. There are a lot of table styles. Okay, this is not present here, but let's go to the Bootstrap website and you can see a lot of table styles over there. Tables. See, this is one type of plain table. This is plain table. This is strapped. Stripe means one column will be dark and one column will be light. Some the table with borders and a table with some hover. Whenever you hover on the table, so you'll get this kind of dark rows whenever you hover on one particular row. Next one, dark table. Completely the table will be displayed dark stripe and hoverable dark and borderless table. Contextual classes. You can use anything. You can use anything you want. So these are the predefined classes for the tables. Okay, these are the predefined classes for the creation of the tables. Okay. See what is now tell me what is the advantage of Bootstrap? What is the advantage of Bootstrap? Just tell me now after listening to this content. Just tell me answer the question. What is the use of Bootstrap now? Am I writing any code? See, I'm not at all writing single line of code. I'm just dragging, copying, and pasting into my website, and I'm producing the beautiful and very good look and feel elements. There's a lot of time saving. There's a lot of time saving process actually. Bootstrap is a time saving process. You can create elements just by copying and pasting. Huh? Yes, direct classes are monitored. No need of writing again. Yes, exactly, Daniel. No need of writing anything. Just you can copy and paste it into your website. So how cool is that? Next one. Let's go to the images. Okay, the time is up. We shall finish the Bootstrap tomorrow. Okay, these are the only images. What the only project like left, and we shall finish that tomorrow. Okay, and after the Bootstrap, we will be left with only one thing, that is React. Okay.